Hey there, fellow deal hunters and online shoppers. Welcome to this quick guide on how to get your Amazon Prime tag in 2025. If you're tired of missing out on lightning-fast shipping, exclusive deals, and all the perks that come with Amazon Prime, you're in the right place. Plus, with updates for 2025, we'll cover any new features to make your experience even better. Let's dive right in. First off, what's an Amazon Prime tag? It's essentially your key to unlocking Prime benefits, like that shiny Prime badge on your account for faster deliveries and access to Prime Video. Whether you're signing up for personal use or as an affiliate to share referral links, this process is straightforward and quick. Step 1. Head over to the Amazon website. Make sure you're on the official site, Amazon.com, to avoid any scams. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your existing Amazon account or create a new one. It's super easy. Just enter your email, set a password, and verify your details. Next, navigate to the Prime section. You can find this by hovering over the Accounts and Lists dropdown in the top right corner and selecting Prime. If you're new, you'll see a Start Your 30-Day Free Trial button. Click that, and follow the prompts to enter your payment information. Don't worry, you can cancel anytime before the trial ends. For 2025, Amazon has rolled out some cool updates, like enhanced personalization and better integration with smart devices. Once you're signed up, your Prime tag will appear in your account settings. Look under Your Account for the membership details. If you're an affiliate, head to the Amazon Associates program to generate a unique tag for referrals. A few tips to make this smooth. Use a strong, secure password, and double-check your email for verification links. Also, if you run into any issues, Amazon's customer support is top-notch. Just chat with them online. There you have it. In just a few minutes, you'll be enjoying all the Amazon Prime perks. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping in 2025.